Do you want to learn how to delete your entire search history on YouTube? It's a simple process, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you need to make sure that you are signed in to your YouTube account on the mobile app. Once you are signed in, tap on your profile pictures icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on your data in YouTube to access your search history settings. Now scroll down until you see the YouTube search history section. This section will show you all of your search history on YouTube. If you want to delete specific items from your search history, simply tap on the cross next to the item. If you want to delete your entire search history at once, tap on Delete located next to the Manage your YouTube search history options. You'll then see three options for deleting your search history: Today, Custom Range, and All Time. Tap on All Time to delete everything. If you want to customize your YouTube history settings, you can do that too. Tap on Manage All Activity located next to the Manage your YouTube search history option. From there you can see both your search history and watch history. You can customize the settings by checking or unchecking the boxes next to the Include History for Search and Include History for Watch. You can also choose to automatically delete your YouTube history by tapping on After Delete and selecting the time range you want to delete. Deleting your YouTube search history is a quick and easy process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching.